Have you worked really hard for the entire day, like you made a lot of follow-up calls, updated CRM, updated messages and everything, and felt, in the end that I have done a lot of activity, I've progressed, but nothing materialized? Don't worry, you're not alone. Hi guys, welcome back to your channel Report Journey with Arpita, and today we're going to talk about episode 6 of series 4, what happens into the agent's mind, and episode 6 being that not every activity is leading towards a progress. Now, what happens is initially when I started at Dreamport, I saw that once I'm making sure that all my leads are properly followed up, they have all the updated feedbacks and everything, and I'm progressing somewhere, like I am going to get this business of the customer. But remember one thing, the customer is not going to reward you for what preparation you do. Customer is going to only reward you for the real conversation, real value, real trust, and the emotionality that you bring into the conversation. And I think I realized this a little late because initially for 2-3 months I was just constantly going back and forth, with following the processes, following the activity. Little did I understand that what lies between the activity and the progress is what I do in continuity. And I think that is what the difference in my invoices. If you go back and see 132, 361, 830, 836, and all, it actually made me realize that is what I was not doing continuity. Now, when we look at it, because always remember one thing, sales is not going to reward you for your preparation. It will only reward you, for what exactly you are going to do after your preparation is over, like after your activity is over, when you are live on the call, what are you going to do? And I think that is the difference I realized. In fact, that is one of the reasons. There's another video which is why Dreamport trainees some Dreamport trainees grow faster and some takes time. That is also a video which does not talk completely about this, but it has a lot of pain points as well. Please go and watch that as well. So, when I realized this, I realized one thing that, as an agent, when we are waiting, so much for the customer, for that one sale to click, something internally dies within us, because now we no longer want to go back to that system. We are, already stressed out of that CRM. We are stressed out of that follow-up call, because we know that customer is not customer is ghosting us. He's not going to reply. So, even picking up that call to make a follow-up seems like, something is dying within us. But honestly speaking, after spending so many years, I would suggest you, even though you are dreaded inside, still please go ahead and pick up that call, pick up that phone, call that customer. Even though that customer is ghosting you, they're not going to give you business, it's okay, but at least you will be progressing for yourself. Because remember, every activity that you do for the customer, for that particular lead, for that particular CRM, is not going to lead out into a business, but these activities are going to reward you in the long run for a different customer altogether. And that's where you will realize that if only I would have done this one thing on that particular customer, because anyway that's a dreaded lead. So there is no point in just thinking of the outcome, that sale. Rather think it as, this is my learning curve, this is my learning. So I would suggest that please do not confuse your activity into progression. Rather take your progression in a manner where even if it's a dreaded lead, it is going to teach you something. So that's your cue. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment, and we'll meet again in the next one.